Tired of your cat turning its nose up at dinner? Don't worry, there's a reason behind it. Cats are natural-born hunters. In the wild, they'd catch their food, so eating slowly at home mimics that hunting experience. When your cat takes their sweet time eating, it's their way of feeling like a stealthy predator, so no worries if your kitty is a slow eater, it's totally normal. But remember, proper nutrition is crucial. A balanced diet keeps your furry friend healthy and happy. Choose high-quality cat food and watch them thrive. Your cat's happiness is in your hands. Keep them purring with the best nutrition. Hit that like button if you learned something new about your feline friend. And don't forget to subscribe for more cat-tastic tips.